Somewhere. Oh yeah, it's peeking up over the clouds over there. Sun is a weakness. Test out my shoes, make sure they're waterproof. Ice. Ice. Look at all the ice. It's that time of year. Yeah.
That was great. They had a log cabin like you go and warm up in.
Oh, cool.
Wow. And at some state thing.
Hi. More up. How we doing, troopers? Future camping spot, maybe. Sun's coming out. That's the good thing about hiking now. But well, you know what's good about today, because there was a threat of rain. Except for that one guy, we got this whole trail, this whole mountain to ourselves. Can't beat that.
What are you gonna cook on top?
I've got my biscuits and gravy. If I'm hungry. I don't even know if I'm going to be hungry. Well, my waterproofing is working. I don't feel any wetness. Okay, so yeah, we basically bumped into the mountain here. Yeah. Hiking makes me burp and fart. Well, I haven't farted yet. You did. I think I got it on video too. I heard a poof. Okay, this is what I bumped into. This is the hill I hit. Okay. The little hill.
I'm wondering.
We gotta go up there.
Is it better to go up that way?
No.
Okay.
Because that's a sheer shot. We gotta think this through.
Okay. Pull up my britches.
We gotta go up there. Okay. Yeah. There's no whining. There's no whining on the mountain.
I'm gonna get strong. You could have taken the way I was thinking.
Who was leading? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the trail right there.
Well, we're practicing for high peak. I don't know if that looks any better though, to be honest with you.
That was the original trail what we came up though.
All right, we're awesome. We're good.
Who was in the lead?
Not talking.
Uh-huh.
And the little rafts that go down, the rafting people, it was like that big. Well, I freaked out. I ran. I was so scared. Because the birds move.
I scared you. What's that? I should have filmed that. Forgot to film that. Well, I needed my hands.
You picked up the barrier, don't you? You used it to-
Ugh.
I still packed it home.
Peg.
You said to- Hey, I told you.
Oh, that's real pretty over there. You can look off the edge.
Yeah, I'm scared.
All right.
This is why you careful. Yeah. Look at water. Going under.
Okay, just go right up this. Keep your feet flat. Don't walk on your balls, just keep your feet flat. Maximum sole grip.
I don't know if I can do it.
Don't worry, I'm here to
Don't walk.
watch you slide down.
Don't walk. It's not going to be graceful. Forget it.
Yay!
Next time I'm going to bring a rope out.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Yeah. We get a high out. I probably get you. We get a high like, holy cow. Wow.
Balsam. Oh, you can smell that pine. Tree sniffer. Almost.
Still got more.
Almost. One more mile. One more hill. We're not there yet.
A lot of mountain lion tracks here. Too.
Yeah, mountain lion tracks. Sharpening his claws.
Yes.
Mountain lion tracks. When you get up on top. When you can't go any higher.
It's sunshine here.
Yeah, whack. Baby cougar. See, right where Heather is where the marker was. That's where the benchmark was.
Oh, wow.
So there used to be a benchmark here, and some jackass pried it up for a souvenir because they're idiots.
Here's one, Dan.
Oh, they put up a new one. Good. They put up a new one.
Oh, wow.
We're... That's 7th Lake right there.
Did I ask one of you guys?
Walking down to the lower end, Black Bear. So we're gonna have our lunch. About 33 degrees up here today. A little chilly. Real windy. We haven't even been miserable yet. Got scared. We're on our way down, going the back way to finish the loop. The reason I don't use a heater in the tent is because my tent isn't the kind of tent where you can heat the inside. It's not going to matter because it's nylon. You guys warm now? We're definitely out of the wind. See this side, on this side, you got a lot more pine trees and stuff, whereas the other side has a lot of hardwood trees.
Oh no, man.
Uncas Road is 1.5. Summit Trail 2.4. That's going all the way to the 28. So it's 2.3 miles from this point. Oh my God, it's so quiet. Here's a spot where I got fresh water one time when I was hiking up here. Right there, where that's coming out. Coming down. That's nice clear water too. Because I thought, oh, this is a perfect camping spot. You know, right over there. And again, this might not be a good camping spot. It's pretty... Darn, I'm missing all the good shots. Do it again.
No, I thought she was going to China the way that her foot sank in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just... Oh, it's not that muddy.
Now it's raining. Nice place to camp right here. Christmas trees! Oh, that's a perfect Christmas tree!
It is.
You could tell it's a Christmas tree by the way it is.
What's going on with you? I'm shot.
Is this trail kicking your ass or what? That's what I love about hiking with people. You get to laugh at everybody's pain. Nope. Hey, we're at the crossroads. Want to do it again? We're here.